Look at what's
My bag! My bag! A fluffy bag!
Wow.
You got a bag? Oh, what'd you get?
My bag!
A bag for Sissy?
Mommy! What is that? Mommy!
Ooh. Apron.
Airplane!
For when you're baking?
Airplane!
Baking. Look at him.
My bacon!
And you want to pull something out? What'd you get?
Mommy!
What's in there?
What'd you get, Julie?
Cookie!
I love you.
Cookie! Look, Ma! A book! A book, Mommy! Look at the book!
You got a book? What'd Emmy get?
Bracelet! A bracelet! Ma, a
Here.
book! A book! Mommy!
Started it.
Hey, Daddy! Look, I got paper, Dad!
Got papers? Oh.
For Julie Gate!
What did Julie get?
Here.
When?
Gotta open it.
To go in your piggy bank? Wow.
You got toys, Dad.
Mm-hmm. Big piggy bank.
Whoa. Dad, whoa.
What'd you get, Emmy?
Crayons.
Crayons?
Yeah. I love bracelet.
Ooh, lots of them.
Yeah. I know one. Gone.
All gone?
Yeah. But it's stuff's gone.
Your stuff's gone.
The stuff's gone. Mommy.
You gotta say thank you.
Thanks, Daddy.
You gotta say thank you, Grandma Carol. Can you say that?
Mom.
Can you say that? Can you give kisses? Julie?
Dad.
Yeah.
Julie?
Say thank you.
I got coins, my games, Dad. Dad.
Yeah.
You say.
Not me. Thank Grandma.
Mom.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Mom. Yeah. I got twins, Dad. Mom.
Mm-hmm.
I got twins. Mom. Jacob. Dad.
You want to put them in your piggy bank?
Mommy, it's okay. Here's our phone. Mom,
Mhm.
that was fun.